India has welcomed the US-Iran Memorandum of Understanding while expressing hope that it will bring greater stability in West Asia and strengthen global energy security. Addressing the 16th BRICS National Security Advisors meet in New Delhi, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval called the agreement a positive step and even highlighted growing role of BRICS in a rapidly changing world order. The meeting got underway in the capital with Doval welcoming delegates from member countries including Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi, Russian Security Council Secretary Sergei Shoigu, Iran's Deputy Secretary of the Supreme National Security Council Ghadir Nizamipur, and senior security officials from Saudi Arabia, UAE and South Africa.
India welcomes the MOU reached between the US and Iran. We have got cautious optimism and we hope that it will work. It will help energy security.
The strategic significance of the Strait of Hormuz, Doval said that uninterrupted navigation through the key waterway would ease supply chain disruptions, while adding that greater freedom of navigation would benefit economies at large.
It will remove supply chain bottlenecks and many of the shortages in the field of, say, fertilizers and chemicals, etc., will be met with. And the freedom of navigation that will be available to the countries in the region and beyond probably will also greatly improve our economic prosperity.
Doval also highlighted BRICS' growing importance amid global uncertainty, conflicts, and evolving security challenges. Addressing member nations, he described BRICS as a coalition that is committed to peace, development, and cooperation. Earlier on the sidelines of BRICS NSA meeting, NSA Ajit Doval met Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi. According to the Ministry of External Affairs, both sides reviewed recent developments in bilateral ties and even noted progress towards normalization. Doval stressed the need for stable, predictable, and constructive relations between India and China, while describing the talks as constructive and forward-looking.